Subscribe to get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Today we're going to make a very simple, easy and a quick recipe which is very delicious and is known as the Murgh Badami. So here I have 750 grams of chicken. I'm going to marinate this with a heaped teaspoon of garlic paste, a heaped teaspoon of ginger paste, a tablespoon of red chilli powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander seed powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed powder, a teaspoon of garam masala powder, the hero of our dish, almond paste. So I have quarter cup of almond paste. I basically soaked about 15 to 20 almonds, peeled them and then I ground them to a nice fine paste. A cup of curd which I have beaten well. Salt to taste, 2 cups of fried onions and about 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to massage the meat and marinate it with all these ingredients for about 10 minutes. Just let's keep this aside. I've already kept a kadai to heat here. I'm going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, and once this oil gets hot, I'm going to add 3 broken red chillies, 10 to 12 methi seeds or fenugreek seeds, and a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once the cumin seeds splutter, we're going to add this chicken that we have marinated. It's been 10 minutes since we had kept the chicken to get marinated. Now let's cook it. The aroma of the marinated meat is really smelling good. Here I have a coriander and a green chilli paste. I have taken 3 green chillies and quarter cup of coriander. I made a paste of it by grinding it with very little water. Now I'm going to add 1 heaped tablespoon of this paste and fry the chicken for another 2 minutes. As you can see, a nice layer of oil is also separated while we are bunoing the chicken. Now I'm going to add a cup of water. I'm going to cover this and cook the chicken for about 5 to 7 minutes. I'm keeping the flame on a low. We kept the chicken to cook for 5 to 7 minutes. There's a lovely layer of oil on this. Now we're going to add half a cup of fresh cream to this. Mix this well. Just sprinkle a pinch of garam masala. Mix it again. If you feel that the curry is a little too thick, you can add half a cup of water at this point. And now all we're going to do is cover this and cook for another 10 minutes till the chicken is done. We kept this chicken to cook for almost 12 to 15 minutes. The chicken is cooked. Let's remove it in a serving bowl. This Murgh Badami tastes excellent with chapatis, parathas. It can go very well with nice hot steamed rice. So do try this simple recipe and let me know.